How to copy your profile link on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your profile link on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines and stop, and here you will find this one, and also here click on your profile and then just click this icon here in top, not this icon here in top corner, this icon, click on it, and here we'll find copy link, click on it, and that's it, the link have been copied. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.